DJN TV.
Country people, una welcome to DGM TV, weekly Pidgin English update. Abeg, if this one is the first time when it be say you till dey see our videos like this, I take God beg you, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you come knack your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get our ogbonge news for the pidgin, the entertainment, and even the main news. Me wey wan knack una the story again this week, na him be una country brother Stanley Okocha.
PDP! Now you are getting it right. But let me see whether you can do very well. PDP! Power to Wasite! Power to Shalibu! Power to Edo State! Power to the women! Power to the youth! Power to all of us! Your Excellency, the chairman of our great party, the party that Nigeria will believe in, the party that has made us proud, Prince Uche Secondus. Members of the National Audit Committee that are here, Your Excellencies, the Governor of Sokoto State, the Governor of Delta State, the Governor of Bayelsa State, the Governor of Bauchi State, and the Governor of Oyo State. Let me recognize the man by the special grace of God. On 19th of September, who re-elected as the Governor of Edo State. His dear wife, my sister. Let me recognize the hard-working Deputy Governor of Edo State. The real comrade, the real comrade, not the fake comrade. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Ondo State, our dear leaders, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. It does not for us. Our dear leaders, today we are here in Edo State. As the chairman of the campaign council, I want to tell the people of Edo State, nobody should be afraid. Nobody should be afraid. Nobody can rig this election. Nobody can rig this election. No one man can decide what will happen in Edo State. Today is the end of so-called God's fatality. I thank Governor Obaseki for the interest of Edo people. If he was selfish, he would have been dancing to the tune of one man. Yesterday, I think why you know people. I got him, I'm not the one who said it, but I got what the former national chairman of APC said. He said he refused to give Ise-Iyabo position because he does not want money to enter his hand because he knows it. He said one who said so. Osimole said so. It's not correct. It's not correct. He said, as a young man was together for school. Is that what he said? Is that what he said? I'm not the one who said it. Osimole said, as a young man poured acid on a man. Is it not correct? Is it not correct? I'm not the one who said it. I'm only reminding the adult people what Osimole said. He said, Obaseki is one of the best. You know what he said? You know what he said? He said, every of his achievements, Obaseki was responsible for it. Was it not? Was it not? He said, Obaseki never asked him for 1 naira or contract. You know what he said? You know what he said? Today, you see how people can insult us. Today, the same man now has come to give to the people of Edo State. That man that he said he cannot trust him with money. Now he wants us to trust Edo money in the hands of the man.
No way!
The same man who said he poured acid on some other person. He is now presented to us as if we are fools, as if Edo people do not know anything. He told the Edo people yesterday, there's no way anybody can present Mr. Iyamo to the governor of Edo State. Today, the same man thinking that Edo people are fools, thinking that we don't have heads, is coming now to present the same man to Edo people. Edo people, this is a challenge to you. This is a challenge to all of you. How is somebody yesterday told you this man is Ramrama, this man is this. Don't start tomorrow. I said no, it was a political statement. Which one now is not a political statement? If the statements he made last time were political statement, this one now is all doing is what? Political statement. Some kind of hope is because they believe in reading. But this one, it will be very difficult. It will be very, very difficult. Obaseki, in 4 years in office, you can attest to the fact that he has done well. He has done well. And therefore, in fact, the fact that he resisted God fanatism, that alone shows that he has the interest of Edo people at heart. And we have no choice but to vote for him. There's no more hope in APC. South State is completely PDP state. And we will not allow anybody to take away our state. Will you allow that? Edo people, will you allow that? What is important for all of us is not just only coming out to vote. I know you come out to vote, that I'm aware. But what is more important is for you to protect and defend your votes. Will you defend your votes? Are you sure? You know, as the chairman of this campaign, I will be here in Edo State. I will be here in Edo State. So, I can assure all of you, everything will be done to make sure PDP retains this state as a PDP state. All I want you to do, just like what we did in Rivers State, that's what I want you to do. Women, youth, men, everybody, come out on the 19th. When you vote, step back and protect your vote. Stay back and protect your vote. Nothing will happen to anybody. Nothing will happen. And I believe that with what Obasanjo has done, the coast is very clear. The election is already won. All we are waiting for is 19th of September. But please, now we have agreed that this God federalism will not work again. Let's make sure we don't go back to it. A man who said he never liked God federalism, the same man now wants to be a God father. Will you allow that? Don't be deceived. Now, when they were China, they were wearing safari design with golden buttons. Now, they have come back to campaign. They are now wearing khaki to deceive us. Will you be deceived? We cannot be deceived any longer. Because his word removes him as chairman. He now wants to come back to tell us by the company, by wearing khaki. He was wearing safari all along. He was wearing safari. So, that will be deceived. I don't want to talk about a candidate, because for me, APC has no candidate to match Obaseki. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. But if he was a candidate, I can now say something about it. But because I know he's not a candidate, so what's the point? Labeling myself. The only person who thinks that he is running the election is a Shimoni. And we will not give him that opportunity. So everybody prepare on the 19th to come out and vote for Godwin, Obaseki, and Shaibu. They have done very, very well. Mr. Chairman, thank you and God bless you.
Please.
Nobody. Godwin has worked for 7.5 years for the people of Edo State, using his brain, using his creativity, quietly, not making noise, not appearing in newspaper or radio. He sits in the office of the economic team, which he built.
Thank you very much.
Using his network of friends.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I know say we go pepper them. We go pepper them. You know, this program is live and it's timed. You know, it's timed. That's the problem. You know, we go pepper them. We go sing after. Governor Wike say we go pepper them. I will go pepper them. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Ege Uzamere. Thank you for coming. Now, I'd like to invite the chairman of the Governors Forum, the PDP Governors Forum, His Excellency, very distinguished governor that we all love so much, His Excellency Aminu Tambuwal.
Your Excellency, the national chairman of our great party, Chief Uche Secondus, members of the National Working Committee, our elders and leaders of our party that are here, my colleagues, the governors of Delta, Bauchi, Bayelsa,
Oyo and Rivers are present. The Deputy Governor of Edo State, the Governor of Edo State, our brother Gordon Obaseki and his amiable wife, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, our courageous brother from Ondo State, the Deputy Governor of Ondo State, members of the National Assembly, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen of the press, and the great people of Edo State. We bring to all of you felicitations from our respective states and the PDP family all over this great nation of ours, and our assurances that our prayers are with you in this struggle for the total and complete liberation of Edo State from Godfatherism. You cannot eat your cake and have it. Can you? You cannot eat your cake and have it. You have been all over the place in the past and in the immediate past, talking about Godfatherism and condemning it, and you now suddenly want to come and become a Godfather in Edo State. Edo is a very, very strategic and important state in Nigeria with a lot of history. We are just from the palace of His Royal Majesty, the Oba of Benin. Oba Tope, Domo, 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 Domo. And we know where we are coming from. So no one single individual can come to Edo and claim superiority over the rest of you. Some months back, in January, in Lagos, a Silverbird Award, I hinted to my brother, Governor Gordon Obaseki, that he should better come and learn some tips on how to demobilize Godfathers. And I wasn't being prophetic, but I was monitoring the political situation of Edo State, and I knew that this day will come. Now, my recommendation to you, Governor Obaseki, is that you should continue to hold on to God Almighty. Continue to hold on to God Almighty, not an individual. Individual human being can fail you at any time, but God never fails. That was what we did in Sokoto State to survive all of the forces that were mobilized from virtually all parts of Nigeria to come and rig us out. But God on our side, we survived it. And therefore strongly recommend that you should continue to hold on to God and the people of Edo State. The people of Edo State are clearly behind you. Protect your votes. Votes must count. I am calling on INEC to build on the legacies of Atai Rutega, of one man, one vote, through which Adam Oshomole came back as second-time governor in Edo State. Dr. Mahmoud, Professor Mahmoud, you have a date with history, you have a family, you have a name, you have a reputation at stake. don't allow anybody to use you for his own political gain and benefit. I'm appealing to President Muhammadu Buhari, even if the anti-corruption fight is becoming tougher and clearly is failing, and even if the security challenges are getting more and more, don't fail in delivering free, fair electoral process to Nigeria. Let that be your legacy and what you should hand over to the government of PDP by the grace of God that will be coming in 2023, inshallah. On this note, people of Edo State, we thank you. We appeal to remain steadfast and resolute. No power of man can shake you, but only power of God, and by His grace, we are going to succeed. Thank you very much. Let me now hand over the microphone to Governor Okoa of Delta State to say hello to you.
PDP! Back to the people! Just a few points I would like to establish. As chairman of the PDP Governors Forum in the South, I'm a happy man. Because this is the only zone where every governor belongs to one party, the PDP. You know why?
DJ ATV.